I think there are many people who would like more transparency at the stage of what you decide to decide. And I have a couple...
Transparency is usually a word that means something good. But I would say at the conference it's important not to have the transparency. And the reason not to have the transparency is it is very important for people to say what they think at that conference, not to make some argument that they think is better than the other person's argument, or that they think will, might be popular or whatever. It is very important for people to say what they really think about these cases, and that's what happens.
Today you have liberal Democrats saying to you that you should step down so President Biden can appoint a successor. What strikes you about the continued expectations that liberals have had over the years about how you should act or not act?
Everybody, likes an argument. Why did I watch the baseball game last night? I mean, people like to think of things as these versus these. But one of the most difficult things is that's not your job to take sides. As I said, your job is to be there for everybody and to resolve things under the law, which takes time, it takes thought. These things aren't usually resolved. And so, of course, people will always want someone who will really decide the way I, says the average individual, want it decided, whether that's a conservative thing or a liberal thing. It's hardly surprising. The amazing thing about, to me, I've been a judge for almost 40 years. And really, when you put on that black robe, you understand whatever the appointments process, however politically involved it was, once you put on the robe of a judge, you're a judge. And that means you're a judge for every person.